Okay guys, so here's my 705 and I'm running it pretty naked right now, no protection. So I got online and went to Piovi's website. I've always wanted a mount like this or rails. I had a 3D printed set of rails, but just didn't work out. They didn't look as great as I liked them. Special shout out to Piovi. I guess they do this with all their customers. Nice little handwritten, like telegram note. Really like that. And they gave this sweet, awesome little lens cleaning. I'm gonna keep this in my truck for my sunglasses, actually. But I did purchase this. So here's a handle. These are aluminum protection rails for the 705. Just for the front half. I didn't get the back half. I think later on, they come really nicely wrapped. I think later on I will worry about getting the back rails. I want to see how I like the front rails. Maybe I can mount the tuner somewhere on these front rails. But seems to be a pretty straightforward build. So just looking at the picture, like always, no need to read any directions or read any manuals. We'll go ahead and start getting this thing put together. Sit back, relax, enjoy some nice instrumental music while we put this together. I'll pause at certain times and talk about what it looks like, how the builds go and stuff like that. You guys are watching. Hang on tight. Okay, so we got the bottom piece put on there. You want to use the flush washers that kind of recess and stuff like that. You don't want to use these dome washers. You want to make sure you use the flush ones like the directions say. On to the next one. You guys are smart. You can see, but now we got the ears on. It came with this Allen wrench to screw them in. Real simple, real easy, very intuitive. Now let's put this awesome handle on that they were so kindly enough to accept some extra dollars or to accept me putting my call sign on here. So now we've got it completely together. This is an awesome, fun little project to add some protection, some fall protection to your 705. And they make rails for just about any radio or anything like that. It feels like it kind of sits up a little bit better now with the creases and stuff they have back there. I feel like it sits on that angle very well. The directions show that it comes with like some lock washers and stuff, but they were already installed up here. There weren't any for around there. Pretty cool. You can still use your 1/4 20 mounts down here, but this is the Piovi cage for the ICOM 705, and we're going to see about attaching some other stuff to it, so hold tight. Okay, so now we have the 705 with its little backpack on. I wanted to kind of walk around the radio and show this to you. So I lose the ability to just set the radio up like this. Not too bad, but the tuner kind of holds it up. So if we take the handle and turn it to the side, you see we have the coax jumper, and then the mic and stuff will plug in right there. And then we have the ICOM AH705 on the back in this orientation where we can get to the battery. It's just kind of double-sided taped right there right now. Might go with some Velcro eventually, or I will put a 1/4 20 right here into, I'm assuming this is a 1/4 20 right here, and then mount it to the bottom of the radio. But for right now, and then the tuning cable, because of the way it's oriented, has to be ran long, and it's ran along the back. It looks a little jank, but good news, if you don't like the way it looks, you're not using this radio. I like it. It's functional. Don't get it right. Just get it on the air. We're having some pretty bad weather roll through right now, so I don't have any antennas connected to hook it up to. But there you go, guys. ICOM 705 with the POV cage. Remember, always use protection 73.